Good morning, dear all. If you have any problem, you may ask to me from the exercise of construction.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. My sound is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, continue your attendance. Any of you, please, you may show your homework to me either through your camera or through screen sharing. Continue your attendance. Go to chat and write present, sir. Up to that time, any of you who want to show your homework to me. So let's start our class today. Last week we did construction of trapezium, and before that we did construction of square as well as rectangles also, and we are going to finish this construction this week, and we'll try to start new exercise also. Some of you have already completed whole exercise because it was similar to content of grade 8. Okay, are you able to view my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, if you will have any problem, you may say it in chat or you may directly भन्दा पनि हुन्छ, च्याटमा भन्दा पनि हुन्छ. केही प्रब्लम आयो कहीँनिर बुझेन भने केही कुरा पनि. र जो नयाँ जोडिँदै जाँदैछौ अडिङ यु फ्रम प्रिभियसली अल्सो, पहिले हामीले स्क्रिनसुट लिएर त्यसबाट लेख्ने गरेका थियौँ, नाम टिप्ने गरेका थियौँ. अब अहिले मैले विक इन फ्युचर क्लासेस अल्सो I have opened a blank page to start our new construction. Before that, let's go to our गरिसकेका छौँ. We already solved this and the questions below it 5 number as well as a question of 6 number and rectangle. And after that, today we are going to do construction of parallelogram, which is in question number 3. Construct the parallelogram of following measurements. A parallelogram ABCD in which BC is 5 cm, 0.8 cm. यो मेजरमेन्टहरु दिएको छ. ABCD जसमा BC 5, CD 4.8 छ. So three measurements are given to us. One thing give us please.
Screen is blurred, sir.
unclear.
Screen
Blur,
is
blur. Nothing is visible, sir.
blurred.
Voice clear?
Picture quality, sir. Picture quality.
Please write in chat.
CRT monitor जस्तो देखिरहेछ, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then wait. Sorry for it. Are you able to view my screen now clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now
Now
it's good.
clear, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, sorry for that. So we are discussing question number 3 given to us in first question. यो तीनटा कुराहरु दिएको छ. ABCD, BC is equal to BCD 120 degree and CD is 4.8. These three measurement कति डिग्री को एंगल हुने पता? 120 degree. And after त्यो एउटा लाइन ड्रा गर्नुपर्ने छ. Same line to this side also and line equilibrium को construction हामीले गर्नुपर्ने छ. BC 5, BCD 120 and CD 4.8. You 5. Okay, you can understand it. And this vertical one is 4.8. This it is very easy construction also. Okay, if anyone joined just now also, again you may do your you may inform your friend to do attendance in chat by writing present, sir. So at first draw, because in parallelogram ABCD, BC is 5 centimeter. Scale in your copy. If you are drawing in your copy, use your scale. If you are in mathsfat.co.uk मा ड्रा गर्दैछौँ भने यसरी नै all line segment of exactly 5 centimeter exactly ड्रा गर 5 only. Okay, BC I think. Now next, from point C, angle BCD 120 degree छ. So we have to draw angle of 120 degree now. So now take your compass. Compass लिएर compass को needle लाई move गर point C मा राख. Then draw the arc. Arc लाई fix गरिसकेर यसलाई draw गरिदेऊ. We have to draw. It's very easy to you. At first, if you will draw the arc from 0, फेरि 60 degree मा 60 degree add गरिदिएपछि 120 degree बन्छ. So I think there is no problem in it. This is 120 degree. Now join C and this arc of, okay, good attendance are going on. If you just join now, you may do your. Now it is remaining to join D को arc सँग point C scale use गरेर यसरी join गर्नुपर्ने हो. 120 degree. I am repeating the same thing that as much as possible भएसम्म exact measurement लिने. This is angle of 120 degree. Now what length of CD is 4.8 centimeter of 4.8 centimeter from point C, because CD is 4. So take your and get 4.8 centimeter from the 0 to 0. कंपास को निडल लाई एक्ज्याक्टली त्यसपछि कंपास को पेन्सिल लाई मुभ गरेर 4.8 मा पुर्याऊ। पनि यही काम गर्ने हो, फ्रम 0 to 4.8 पुट निडल एट C। अब यो निडल लाई लगेर कहाँ राख्नु पर्यो, point. From there we have to draw arc. Okay. 4.8 अब यो 4.8 यहाँ छ भने प्यारालोग्राममा अप 4.5 लेफ्ट तिरबाट B बाट माथि जाने लाइन नै हुने हो। इफ D 8 centimeter, similarly ED will be also 5 centimeter. So now take same arc, that means arc equal to CD. B point बाट पनि 4.8 centimeter. Similarly, unfix this counter को arc लियो, 5 centimeter means it is equal to BC. BC 5 centimeter. So we have to take the arc equal to, it is 5 centimeter. BC सँग equal हुने arc लियो। यो arc लिइसकेपछि take needle and move pencil to left side. Pencil this new obtained point यहाँनिर यो आएको। So this is the point A. Join it like D सँग पनि join गर, B सँग पनि join गर. Last work remaining for us. Join गर्न मात्र A लाई D सँग पनि join गर. Try to draw through exact points and draw गर्ने कोशिश गर्ने हो always in construction. Complete it easily. It is 100 120 degree centimeter 4.8 छ यहाँदेखि यहाँसम्मको लेन्थ, यतापट्टि 5 सेन्टिमिटर छ। यो 120 को र लेफ्ट तिर भएको पनि यति नै हुन्। लेफ्ट साइड AB is 4 because opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Is there any problem in this construction? यो construction कसरी गरे? You may ask it to me. If there is no confusion, I'll your screen chat and my sound is clear.
Clear, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, we did this question. Centimeter BCD 120 and CD 4.8 centimeter. So try to do option number D. The parallelogram WXYZ in which diagonal WI is 3.6. दुईटा diagonals को लेन्थ दिएको छ। Here we have to use the property of parallelogram. Parallelogram को कुनै पनि parallelogram मा दुईटा diagonal ले एक अर्कालाई bisect गर्छन्। Bisect गर्छन् भन्नुको मतलब 3.8 को आधा 1.9 सेन्टिमिटर र 4.6 को आधा 2.3 सेन्टिमिटर 1.9 हुने गरी तलमाथि 2.3 हुने गरी एक अर्कालाई WY र XZ ले काट्छन्। So this is the property of parallelogram. And angle between both diagonals is 60 degree. दुईटा diagonal बीचको angle 60 degree छ. So it's general rough. So just look at its rough sketch. यो diagonal भयो, यो दुईटा बीचको angle this 60 degree. This length of this line is 3.8 and length of this vertical line is 4 points and angle 60 degree. This is the general idea for construction of it. Let us draw one diagonal whose length is y. So take your scale and draw angle of 0.8 centimeter. Scale here. Its name is W and this one is Y, WY 3.8 centimeter. At first find out its midpoint, center लिए पनि हुन्छ, or you may use your compass use गरेर bisector find out गरे पनि हुन्छ. Take compass and put its needle half भन्दा अलि बढी arc ल्याऊ, just a bit more than half, and draw the arc of arc लाई तलपट्टि पनि draw गर. Do same thing from W also. जे यता Y बाट गरे त्यही काम W बाट पनि गर. Arcs which we have already drawn. माथिपट्टि पनि काट. Now join these two arcs. यो तल र माथिको दुईटा arc लाई join गर. Scale लाई vertical बनाएर, and this is the center at 1.9 centimeter. यो center बन्यो. This is the central point. That is midpoint. Midpoint भन्नु पर्यो. WI को midpoint हो 1.9 सेन्टिमिटर. Now from this point draw angle of 60 degree. Because angle 60 degree भएको हुनाले central point, midpoint जुन अहिले हामीले भर्खरै ड्रा गर्यौं, from this point move needle of this compass to center or midpoint. Midpoint मा move गरिसकेपछि to draw 60 degree only. We have to draw 60 degree. How to draw 60 degree? 60 degree draw गर्न सबैले आउँछ. No one is unknown with it. Now move compass to the 0 point. Okay. This is 60 degree. अहिले जुन आर्क काट्यौं, अहिले काटेको आर्क र पहिला काटेको आर्क जहाँनेर काट्यो यो 60 degree हो. This point is 60 degree. Where my pencil is. हामीले 60 degree draw गर्दै छौं भने यो सेन्ट्रल पोइन्ट बाट लाइन ड्रा गर्नु पर्यो 60 degree को. So now take your scale. Okay. This is a angle of 60 degree. Diagonals is 60 degree. First मा WI ड्रा गर्यौं. त्यसपछि W र Y बाट आर्कहरु काट्यौं तलमाथि पनि. फरक फरक आर्क लिने हैन, तर आर्क लिँदा हाफ भन्दा अलि बढी भएको हाफ कानेर होला 20 तिर. त्यो भन्दा अलि बढी आर्क लिएर W बाट पनि काट्नु पर्यो, तलमाथि Y बाट पनि काट्नु पर्यो. अनि यो डटहरु यो जोइन गर्दियौ स्केल युज सकेपछि यो सेन्टर पोइन्ट बाट कम्पास लिएर यतापट्टि काट्यौं. यो काटिसकेको आर्कबाट फेरि यहाँबाट माथि काट्यौं. 60 डिग्री भयो. राउन्ड डिग्रीलाई स्केल लिएर फेरि हामीले सेन्टरसँग जोड्दियौ मिड पोइन्टसँग. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट लाइन सेगमेन्ट हामीले यहाँसम्म गरिसकेका थियौं. WY 3.8 सेन्टिमिटर ड्रा गर्यौं अनि एंगल 60 डिग्री ड्रा गरिसक्यौं. अब बाँकी रह्यो XZ जुन छ 4.6 सेन्टिमिटर यो ड्रा गर्नुपर्ने बाँकी छ. अब यो 4.6 सेन्टिमिटरमा व्हाट इज द हाफ अफ 4.6? 4.6 को हाफ कति हुन्छ? 2.3 हो. 2.3 सेन्टिमिटर मिड पोइन्ट बाट माथि हुन्छ र मिड पोइन्ट बाट तल 2.3 सेन्टिमिटर हुन्छ. Because diagonal of parallelogram bisects each other. यो जुन WY र XZ दुईटा डायगोनलहरु छन् एकअर्कालाई ठ्याक्क आधा आधा काट्छन्. त्यसैले 2.3 सेन्टिमिटर माथि हुन्छ, 2.3 सेन्टिमिटर तल हुन्छ. त्यसको लागि स्केल लिएर 2.3 सेन्टिमिटर को आर्क हामीले कम्पासमा लिनु पर्यो. ओके, सो टेक योर कम्पास. 2.3 किन लिँदै छौं? बिकज इट इज हाफ अफ 4.6. डायगोनल को लेन्थ 4.6 छ. डायगोनल को लेन्थ 4.6 भएको हुनाले त्यसको हाफ 2.3 लिँदै छौं हामी. एट फर्स्ट पुट निडल अफ कम्पास एट 0 point and move pencil to 2.3. 2.3 मा मुभ गर्नु पर्यो. फर्स्ट 0 मा लिएर put needle of compass to 0. Okay, try to take exact measurements as much as possible. Possible भएसम्म अब यहाँ अलिकति हल्लिँदै छ. So I fixed the compass now. कम्पासलाई फिक्स गरिसकेपछि 2.3 को आर्क लिएको हो है कम्पासमा. टेक इट टु मिडल अफ द WY. WY को मिड पोइन्टमा लैजाऊ र यहाँबाट माथि पनि आर्क काट, तल पनि आर्क काट. ओके, मुभ पेन्सिल डाउनवर्ड. पेन्सिल तल पनि मुभ गर र तल पनि आर्क काट. 2.3 माथि काट्यौं, 2.3 तल काट्यौं. टोटल यो लेन्थ तलको पेन्सिलको टुप्पोदेखि माथिको आर्कसम्म 4.6 भयो. 2.3 र 2.3. नाउ remove this compass. Compass हटाइदियौ. Take scale and draw. This is the point X because new line segment is XZ. यो X भयो भने यता माथिपट्टि Z हो. यो point Z हो. Okay, XZ. Now join X to W, X to Y, W to Z and Z to Y. यो पोइन्टहरु Y देखि यो Z सम्म, W देखि Z सम्म, W देखि X सम्म, X देखि Y सम्म जोइन गरौँ त अब. This is remaining for us. Okay, at first WZ. WZ को काम फर्स्ट गर्दै छौं है त. Okay, join it. Similarly, join XY. Oh, now join WX. Okay, a bit mistake I did in previous line. XY ड्रा गर्दाखेरि अलिकति मिस्टेक भएको छ है. सो सरी फर दैट. अलि तल जोडिएको छ. नाउ जोइन YZ. हो यति नै हो त हामीले गर्नुपर्ने. आवर कन्स्ट्रक्सन इज फिनिश्ड. WXYZ parallelogram is constructed. So try to complete remaining questions of question number 3. Thank you very much. Join your next class. Enjoy your day.
Okay, sir.